Meaning of d.b.a.
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 d.b.a. d.b.a. is an abbreviation for doing business as. It is commonly used in the business world to refer to a company or individual operating under a different name than their legal or registered name. The term is often used when a company wants to use a more memorable or marketable name that might be different from their legal name. Using a d.b.a. name can help create a separate brand identity and simplify marketing efforts. Overall, d.b.a. refers to a name that a business operates under, which may be different from their legal or registered name.